So today is the official launch of the operation and maintenance training for a vessel that is going to be handed over to us shortly by the Japanese in a project with JICA, right? And Japan, is continuing their support to the government of St. Kitts and Nevis, and we can say that we're happy for something like this today.
Today is a happy day for us at the Department of Marine Resources. Finally, we have received our fisheries control vessel from the government of Japan, which we are going to use in terms of monitoring, surveillance and control of the waters and assistance with fishers in times of distress. We are thankful to the Japanese, and we are going to make best use of this vessel to be starting to going forward.